I just want to say thank you for being here. It's a total amazing event. From the chefs who have honestly amazing dishes. You have to try them all.
And the winner is Lori Shatterfield.
So friends and foodies and chefs, this is the moment. We're gonna announce the winners and start with the third place for Truffle Master 2023. We are calling Artisan. The second place goes to Mazraf. So let's do the People's Choice Award. So you voted, and you voted for Musafir. The first place goes to Nobu. It's time to say goodbye until next year, but you know, Truffle Master is on and will stay on for you as long as you support it, and for the pleasure to support the chefs. This is what we do, and this is what we want to do at DR Delicacy. Have a great night. Be safe. Au revoir. À l'année prochaine.